A modern form married with an industrial vintage feel, Canary Wharf brings rustic yet retro styling to the home. Constructed from hand-worked iron and handcrafted aluminum, Canary Wharf features a detailed center stem with threaded tubing. A corrugated band and flat bar scraps are shaped into an open factory shade and topped off with a burnt sienna finish. A clear, pressed glass jelly jar features deep grooves and detailing on the inside, creating a refracted, crystal-like appearance. Canary Wharf is suitable for indoor and outdoor applications and offers a selection of pendant and sconce designs, as well as an island option.